What if I told you that just $5 a day, less than a cup of coffee, could make you a millionaire? It sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, with the right mindset, a bit of discipline, and the power of compounding interest, it's not only possible, it's actually been done by thousands of people. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to turn $5 a day into $1 million, step by step. No tricks, no get-rich-quick schemes, just real numbers, smart investing, and patience. Before we even talk about money, we need to talk about mindset. Most people think getting rich requires huge income, a business idea, or winning the lottery. But that's a myth. The truth is, wealth is built over time, not overnight. Here's the first mindset shift: you don't need more money. You need more consistency. Let's say you spend $5 a day on coffee, fast food, streaming services you barely use, random stuff on Amazon. Cutting out those $5 expenses won't make you rich tomorrow, but redirecting that money absolutely can. And the best part? You don't have to save your whole paycheck, you just need $5 a day. Let's talk about how. Now let's introduce the hero of our story, compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. Here's how it works. Let's say you invest $5 per day, or about $150 per month. And you put it into a broad stock market index fund, something like the S&P 500, which historically has returned about 8 to 10% annually. We'll use 10% for simple math. So, year 1, you invest $1,825. Year 2, that grows, not just from what you add, but from interest. Year 3, it grows even more, interest on the interest. And so on. Here's the magic. If you invest $5 per day for 40 years at 10% return, guess what you'll have? Over $1.1 million. All from $5 a day. That's less than most people spend on snacks. Time invested, value 10% annual return, 10 years $31,000, 20 years $105,000, 30 years $315,000, 40 years $915,000, 41 to 42 years white heavy checkmark $1 million. Let's break this down into clear, actionable steps. Here's your $1 million plan. Step 1, automate the $5 per day. Set up an automatic transfer of $150 per month or $35 per week if that's easier. Use apps like Acorns, Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood. The key is, make it automatic so you don't even think about it. Step 2, choose the right investment. You don't need to be a stock expert. Invest in low-cost index funds, like Vanguard's VO or VTI, or ETFs like SPY or SCHD. These funds track the whole stock market or the top 500 companies. Historically, they return 7 to 10% per year over the long run. Step 3, reinvest the dividends. Most of these funds pay you dividends, little cash payouts. Don't take that money out. Reinvest it. It adds fuel to the compound interest engine. Step 4, leave it alone. This is where people mess up. They get tempted to cash out early. But your real wealth builds in the last 10 to 15 years. Here's the breakdown. After 10 years, $30 is 000. After 20 years, $100 is 000. After 30 years, $340 is 000. After 40 years, $1.1 million. If you cash out early, you lose the momentum. Step 5. Increase your contribution over time. Once $5 per day feels easy, raise it. Go to $7, then $10, then $15. Every dollar extra compounds into thousands down the line. For example, $10 per day equals $2.2 million in 40 years, $15 per day equals $3.3 million. Small changes, big results. You might be thinking, okay, but I'm 35, 45, or even 50. I don't have 40 years. Let's address that. If you're 30, you still have 30 plus years. $5 per day becomes about $340,000 in 30 years. Add a little more? Boom, you can build wealth too.